Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be finally pulling this engine apart, which I'm pretty excited about. As you can see, I've already took the liberty of tearing some of this stuff off. I got the valve cover off, alternator off, motor mounts, push rod cover off. As you can see, this engine is actually pretty clean. Definitely low miles, so I'm excited to tear this thing apart and see what we find. Let's go ahead and get to work. So we just got the rocker arm assembly off, push rods out, and we got the lifters out. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys one of the lifters real quick. Show you the type of shape we're looking at here. Still pretty flat, no terrible doming or anything like that. So lifters look good. So far, not seeing any big problems. Alright guys, we got the head off, so I just wanted to show you guys what we're looking at here. Get you down in the cylinder, and as you can see, we have got a lot of cross hatching in here. These are actually looking really good. See the top of the pistons, there is some carbon buildup, but nothing really that bad. And if you look at these cylinders, they look great. We've got ourselves a really nice engine here. A little rebuild, and this thing's going to be nice. So we're going to keep tearing down. I'm going to rotate this guy over, get the oil pan off, and I'll show you guys what the bottom end looks like. Alright, so we finally got pan off. That was a nightmare, but I'll bring you in here close. See the camshaft down here. Everything looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and get this pickup off, and then we'll probably start dropping pistons out. Try and get a look at what these bearings look like. Okay, real quick, I just wanted to show you one of these connecting rod bearings. This is on number 2 cylinder. Come on! Okay, like I was saying before I was interrupted, this is a connecting rod for a number 2 cylinder. Just wanted to show you the bearings real quick. Looks pretty good. And we're gonna keep on going. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I had to stop what I was doing yesterday because I had to go to work. But we got 2 more pistons we got to pull out of here. Then we're going to pull the crank pulley off and pull the timing cover off. And I think that's about as far as we're going to go with this. Alright guys, so all the pistons are out. I told you earlier I was going to pull this pickup and everything off, but after pulling the first couple pistons out and seeing how good the bearings are and seeing how good the crank and everything looks, it's just not worth it. I'm going to go ahead and keep the cam and crank in because they don't have to come out in order for me to do rings, which is still the plan. So we're just going to go ahead and leave them in here because everything is actually looking pretty good. Here's the timing gears here. So it looks good. I like what I see. Alright guys, so I flipped the engine over, figured I'd show you kind of what we're looking at here. Again, everything looks pretty good. Also got all my parts over here, all laid out. And you guys haven't really seen too much of the head yet because I just pulled it right off, so we'll show you here. Other than needing a cleaning, nothing's really jumping out at me. Everything's looking pretty good. Parts laying on all over here. Bags with bolts labeled where they go. This is that split manifold I was telling you guys about earlier. 2 pieces. Stock one would have just came like this without this exhaust flange that I'm holding. But when you cut it in half, weld a cap here, cap there, and weld you a new exhaust flange on. And now you've got yourself a split manifold, and you can technically have a true dual exhaust all the way back. It's pretty neat. Things that they did back in the day when parts wasn't as available as they are today. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video today. I hope you liked it. The reason for tearing this engine down, like I said earlier, was blow by. Me thinking I had a stuck ring or something. But after looking at it, it only looked like we had a stuck ring. So I don't know really what's going on. Maybe we could have glazed the cylinders. Maybe. Which would just be getting a film of oil throughout the cylinder and then not being able to properly seat the rings because the cylinders become really slick. That could be what's going on. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if you have run into this before or have any insight on what could be going on. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell because we are going to try and be releasing a video maybe once a week, somewhere around Saturday or Sunday. So if you like what you see, please subscribe. Thanks guys.